Hey everybody. Really quick, I wanted to go over what to do when a winning ad stops working. So, this is the part of my job that I absolutely hate. I hate when I have very good performing ads and then all of a sudden maybe they are not performing as well as they were, and now I have to start all over again. So, let's take a look at something. Let's go back to April 1st. April 1st here. And you can see the top ads here, and we're just going to deal with these up here. They were doing pretty decent. Now, obviously, the day's not over, but for now, let's just focus on this. So you see the results here, and then we go to April 2nd. Okay, April 3rd. Which I want to take a note here. April 3rd is a Friday, and I hate advertising on Fridays. I feel like when you advertise on a Friday, you just expect crappy results because people are so focused on the weekend they don't know what to do with themselves. So let's take a look at today. So I only got one lead for $5, and honest to God, it's really not the end of the world. But this is just me and my personal preferences. I know that exclusive leads that I get for people, especially if it's an exclusive solar lead, I mean, even if it's like $25, it's an exclusive lead, it's worth it. But because of what I have been doing, I'm just so used to getting these leads under $10 a pop. So for me, it's like killing me right now. So I'm going to refresh the screen because I'm hoping that another lead came in while I was making this video, and it didn't. Okay, so what I'm going to do is if these ads don't perform well today, I'm going to cut them off and I'm going to start all over. And when I say start all over, what I mean is I'm going to go to one ad and I'm going to duplicate it to the same audience 5 to 6 different times with a different picture. Now, I've been doing this the same way for about 2 years now when it comes to these solar ads and really any ads, to be honest with you, but especially the solar ads because for some reason I can do like a real estate campaign, a mortgage loan officer campaign. I can do any one of those campaigns and it's just consistent. I don't have to work very hard to make sure the cost per lead stays low. But when it comes to home improvement ads, whether I'm doing like leads for like a window company, HVAC, solar, doesn't matter. It's like a struggle and a fight to keep these leads under $10 a lot of times. So this is a very real part of Facebook advertising. So getting back to what I was talking about, I duplicate an ad to the same audience 5 to 6 different times with a different picture. And you might not know how to get another picture. Well, take the picture that was winning and try and do something to it on Canva. Make a line across it, play with the filter, make it black and white, make it red and yellow. Make it so that people will stop to look at your ad. And so after I've done that, I'll go ahead and I'll run the ads again for another 2 to 3 days. And if that doesn't work, then I'll change the ad copy and the picture and the audience. But I already know the audiences that work for this particular niche, which these are solar campaigns. So I know I don't have to change the audiences too much. But if I do have to change the audiences, I have like, I don't know, 8 different audiences that I know where I can plug them in and get leads for solar on demand. So that's what I would do because these ads down here, so this account, these are fine, right? I got these solar ads going to where, some of them are coming in at $1.99, $7, $2, $3, and my favorite, $1.39. And then tomorrow we'll play a game called what mood is Facebook in today, and then these will be like $5 instead of $1.39, and it'll drive me nuts, right? So that's what I would do. These are some of the frustrations that come along with Facebook advertising and marketing, but if you can hang on in there, you'll do just fine. So if you all have any questions, you can feel free to comment below on the video and I'll answer them if I can. But I hope you all are staying safe out there and having a great day.